you getting that for, bro?
For my go-kart.
Oil change for everybody. These fools don't even know their oil thing, bro. Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no.
Oh, this?
Nah, that's why I searched it up before we got here. Top. That's the oil you're going with? Look.
Some slight.
This is mine right here. Guys. Ow, nigga! Oh, hell no! Who the fuck was that?
Nigga, I love that.
Awesome. Bro, nah, bro.
This nigga's gotta fight me.
Bro, I'm actually not friends with you guys no more. I'm out of here.
Oh, hey. He's actually not friends with us. Hey, dude, hey, he's like...
How do you feel?
Oh, please, come back. I was tending my arms.
Yeah, show him with your headband so you're looking
good. Yeah. I was tending my arms.
Look at this, how you record his TikToks.
Yeah, this is actually how I record my TikToks. Sometimes I work out like this. I just like start doing jumping jacks and shit. And this nigga, I told this nigga to lift this shit up, and look at this nigga. This nigga turned from fucking caramel to white chocolate ice cream. Hell nah, bruh. What the fuck?
Well, hey, it doesn't matter, boys. Don't look at this. Don't look at this. We finished the first car. We still got 2 more to go. So, who's mine? Mine next? Yeah, Leo, mine next. Nah, mine next. Mine next. Too bad.
Monkey ass nigga.
Mine next. Mine next.
I think Misa's gonna be the hardest.
No, it's not. It's all easy, bro.
Nah, let me do mine next so we can do it easy, and then we'll do yours.
Mine's easy too.
Yeah, we gotta do the same shit as this niggas. Your car's low too. Mine's fucking stock high.
Should we do all the fucking high ones?
Yours is what? Yours is what? Yours is what?
Shut the fuck up, nigga.
Put it higher. Yeah, you gotta put it higher to take the thing off first. Is this actually bad?
This nigga hella.
It's not that bad,
Nigga,
bro.
it's hella bad. Like I thought. Oh, I was like, oh.
Does it look bad on video?
Yes. Look,
it looks the same.
Look, put it down. Put it down. I was like, oh, this nigga's fucking normal, right? And then he fucking lifts it up.
Look, these are fucking mean, bro.
Nigga, that shit's bad. Like, hey, oh hell no. I thought mine was getting bad.
What yellow shit?
I thought mine's getting bad. It's bad, huh?
Do I look big?
Let me say AU.
Misa has more definition though, you know what I mean? He's more cut.
Hey!
I was just trying to feel it.
No, you're going in my arms. Yeah, it's a hella bushy armpit.
Do you shave yours?
Nah, I don't.
Let me see.
I just have hey! I just have less.
Imagine.
Niggas about to shake my hand like this.
Yo, what's up, Misa?
How do you fold this?
Oh, hell nah.
We look buff right there?
I'm not flexing,
Yeah.
bro.
Oh shit. Hey, thumbnail.
Thumbnail.
Flexing. Hey! That's a thumbnail right there.
All right, boys, it's my turn to do an oil change, and I'm letting Misa move it back there. Let's see what happens.
What can I turn it?
This foot is not even, what? Do you have to clutch it in?
Oh, yeah, huh?
Oh, hell no.
I forgot it was fucking your car, nigga.
Oh, make sure you're neutral. Okay, now you gotta take it out again.
Oh, hell no.
And I'll do it. Bro, what is going on? He hasn't even stalled at least.
Nigga hasn't even paid us the fucking bobas, yo.
For real.
Oh, nigga.
Oh, hell no. Sheesh. Yo, my car looks kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie. All right, boys. I have a new lug nut. I'm gonna try it out real quick. I'm not gonna show you guys yet, cause what lug nut? What? Hello? I'll show you guys later.
Hey, bro. Say, bro.
Who the fuck is
What's
this?
going on? What's cracking?
Oh hell no.
Who is this? Let me see the fit. Oh hell no!
Nah, nah, fucking.
He almost tripped. Ew, look, he has no ass.
Ew, bro.
Does that actually look funny?
Yes,
Damn,
nigga.
bro.
I feel like one of those, the soldier boy nigga.
Oh yeah.
Oh!
Like, that's what I feel like. That's
Wait, make a TikTok, make a TikTok.
Oh, hell nah.
Misa's doing his oil change. It's fucking hot.
He's mad as fuck.
He's mad. I'm mad. I got cut. Look at me. God damn it. Donovan's over here crying over his girlfriend.
Better than I'm mad. I just want to
What the
fucking finish this
fuck?
shit. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we're just.
Because of the heat. I'm getting
Yeah, it's hot.
frustrated.
And then Yas is just chilling there.
Pumping the
These
car.
people do not want to let me shower too. They want to go eat some right now, and I'm like, bro, let me shower. They don't even want to let me.
Boys, We're fucking doing the oil change and this nigga wants to go shower. Tell him that he's being a little bitch. Let's go eat, bro. You're tripping for real.
Oh,
we're
okay,
gonna
let's
go
go, you guys.
fishing.
Fucking tough ass.
We're gonna go fishing.
Bro, I don't want to go fishing today. It's hella hot. You want to go fishing?
Maybe if it goes down, nigga.
Wait, where though? At the behind Denny's or at the other one?
Oh, water there.
I only like the Denny's, so I don't like the other spots.
Or you guys wanna go up in the hills?
We finally all finished. Right now we're gonna go eat, and we're actually, I think we're gonna get boiling crab or some shit. I don't know, but we'll see what we get. But we're all cruising finally, so it's pretty cool. Actually, we're missing Ramon, Roberto. Who else are we missing? That's pretty much it. But one day we'll all cruise. That. Get out the way! Get out the way, Grandpa! Grandpa, get out the way! Hey! Fuck you! Fuck you! Get out the way! Get out of the way! This nigga's horn is lame. Why does the camera look so weird, bro? First spot, we made it. We got the boys lined up. Bro, we actually all drove today. Finally, it was cool actually, huh? Woo! We gotta go, we gotta go. No pictures right now? Guys, no pictures right now. What are you guys doing? I'm hungry. That's because I'm hungry.
We're gonna go eat after. What the fuck are you tripping for? Fucking monkey.
After what? Oh, we're gonna do the thing first.
Oh my god. Really?
We can't let you guys know because if you guys know, you know. It's like a little thing in the future, but we'll probably let you guys know later some other day. We weren't even gonna show you, but this is hella nice, bro. Look what we just driving right now.
Oh, nigga, this is fucking sick.
We're test driving this shit right now.
It's the real.
How does it feel so far?
It feels pretty good.
Bro, it's so comfortable in this bit.
Hell yeah, dude, I like this sunroof.
Oh yeah, the roof.
Oh,
no, shit.
Oh hell nah.
Bro, this is hella nice. What the fuck? What do you think, Donovan? You know?
Oh, this
That's
is
just fucking sick. I wanna get one.
I know, dude. I low-key, they're hella comfortable, bro.
Family car. What the fuck?
Dude, this is the perfect daily, bro. For real.
Go hella fast.
Guys, not right here though. Straight out though.
I'm out of here, bro.
Oh hell no, red light.
Oh shit!
Oh shit! Yo, that shit pulls, bro.
That's just fucking fast. What
Nigga,
the
that shit feels
fuck?
kind of cool.
Look at my GTI's faster.
Oh hell no.
Oh! It doesn't feel that fast, but oh shit! God damn!
Nigga, 70.
Bro.
Nigga, what?
Actually, that's fucking fast. What the fuck? Look at that bike.
Oh,
nigga.
nigga, that's hard. Look, you can see the fucking. Oh, nigga, that's
The
so
back and
hard,
the side.
nigga.
Leave that on.
Bro, there's so much shit to it, huh?
Hell yeah.
Even detects that dude that was driving.
It tells you
It
your
already
PSI.
tells you. You don't need the thing you got.
And it tells you when to go.
Yeah, is that what that was?
Yeah.
Oh, nigga, that's fucking sick.
That's fucking sick.
Oh, cause that. Oh, what the fuck?
You didn't hear the thing?
Yeah. Cause that's so. Oh shit.
That's
bro.
hard, nigga.
Here, give him a POV of how it feels to drive a Tesla. Písale. Oh shit, bro.
Oh,
You're
that shit
right.
fucking pulls, bro.
Nigga,
That
this
shit
shit-
pulls. This shit will gap a fucking.
It does something to your stomach, bruh.
Yeah.
No time.
God,
Oh,
dude.
shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit, bro.
We're in Mexico.
Alright,
Don't worry.
chill, alright, chill.
Mexico.
We're in Mexico.
They let us test drive in Mexico.
Oh, hell no. I didn't know there was a Tesla dealership in Mexico. Dude, that shit feels good.
Dude, it's so comfortable and shit. Like the seats are just nice and shit too.
This just feels like spacious.
Yeah, it does. Like it feels open.
60,000?
Wait, how's the rear view mirror? Because Donovan was roasting it inside the fucking.
It does not.
It looks
it's not
hella
too good.
small.
It's not too good.
It's fucking stupid.
It is kind of small. You could charge your phone or some shit up here.
I think, but you have to have like the actual one.
Oh,
Wait, put mine.
That's so hard, nigga. Nah, nigga, that's
what
so
the fuck?
sick. Oh, this? I'll be like, oh, this?
Wait, put mine.
That's so sick, nigga. That's so sick.
What the fuck? This car's crazy, bruh.
Imagine Raymond had this shit. You know how much he would gas this shit?
You know how many speeding tickets he would get? Not even gassing it,
Every
bruh.
fucking day.
This is kind of sick.
How does it feel like to drive it though?
What?
You heard that shit? It's telling me that I'm getting hella close to the cone. Look.
Oh shit. Yeah, I'm not close. Get closer, see what happens. Oh, 27 inches away, 26, 24. Now look, you're still hella far.
No way.
Yeah, it's telling me.
Nigga,
Oh,
that's so
nigga.
far, nigga.
Go,
Take
go,
the
go, get
fucking
closer.
keyboard off, nigga.
Oh, nigga, that's so sick.
It tells you the inches and shit. What the fuck?
Wow, damn. Technology's hella advanced.
Never mind, drop us off.
Yeah, never mind. Let's return the car. Finally done. We can go eat now. I'm fucking hungry. This is what Misa gets for being annoying, bro. Where's he at?
You want to put our names out?
Oh, really? Boiling Crab Boys, first time? First time?
Yeah.
Actually? You too, Donovan? Oh, you been here before?
Bro, I want to be like him.
Oh, shit.
I
That's
want that
just
to be me, bro. I want this car now. I want this one. Actually. You see me? My shit.
Oh,
this is
damn.
shit.
Those are work wheels, huh?
Yeah, bro.
That's just hella clean, bro.
It's a green thing. What is it, bro?
Oh, hey. This fool does not remember the it's a green thing. If you guys know, because it's literally a couple of minutes before in the video. You guys know. But he literally doesn't remember, and he was right there.
What's it about? What's it about? Me?
I don't know.
I actually don't even know either.
I guess we could just have to find out for the video. Oh, this is Dr. Pepper. Best soda. What the fuck is water?
I got Sprite.
Right. His little baby got lemonade.
Let him know which one. Ask him which one's the best one.
Dr. Pepper, bro.
What do you guys like?
Yeah.
What kind of soda?
What's your guys' go-to drink? Water, Dr. Pepper, Sprunk.
Just for that, leave a like on the video.
That shit was disgusting, bro.
Really? You didn't like it?
Nah.
Why not?
Not worth it.
What'd you get? The catfish?
Yes. That shit was raw.
This
is good, this is good.
Thoughts?
Nah.
It's good. I gotta come with my girl. Why does it look so good?
Guys, he had some little fucking parts that were discolored, and this nigga swore they were raw. This nigga never eaten fucking seafood or something before.
I gotta come with my girl.
What the?
Oh, I gotta come with my girl.
Look.
Oh, this? We have a taste of
It's not working. You need a pop, bro.
Someone come get this guy, too.
Yeah, someone come get him for free, please.
louder.
That was too late.
You louder.
Spin the show.
Oh, you.
No, it's this side.
No, it doesn't. You just fucking do it. It could be any side. Alright. It's this side. right
It's
here.
that side.
It's this side. Right here.
No, you're not gonna know which side is which.
Alright.
Rip it off.
Rip it off one side.
Oh, yeah, okay,
That's
okay.
the dumbest shit I've ever seen in my life.
That's gonna get fucking. That's weight.
Look at your ass trying to cheat, bro. I'm not cheating. Yes, you look. The
No,
what
no,
side's
no.
here? Look.
No, it's the second one. The first one's just a trial.
No, bro. It's
What?
fucking him, actually.
No, you have to. Now you play the game.
You did the game, so you have to.
Caca.
Shit, how much it charge?
That's retarded.
They get paid or no?
Caca face. It's a
I
green
think I
thing.
shit myself.
But you serious?
I don't think this thing is playing.
You
Brian,
lying?
Brian.
Like, if I hit the brake again, I would shit myself.
Wait, stand up real quick.
You would've what?
If I hit the brakes hella hard, I would shit myself. Cause you know how like everything goes down?
Loaded, huh?
Yeah.
I feel good.
It's gains, bro.
Not worth it, boys.
Gains.
Nah, that shit was good.
Not worth it. We should have got that.
And Loki, next time the shrimp.
Yeah.
Next time the shrimp.
No, it makes you don't flick that shit, don't flick in your eye.
This is Mrs. didn't tell us. Mrs. didn't
I
tell
know,
us.
you didn't explain the fucking menu.
Home.
Guys, 10 out of 10, recommend.
No, actually it is, but next time don't go with Misa because he doesn't tell you they have shrimp.
Oh my god.
He doesn't tell you that they have shrimp there. Nah, Misa doesn't tell you.
How do you go to a seafood place and expect to not fucking there be?
It's because your boy Misa doesn't tell you.
No, bro, what the fuck?
Look at this clean ass Honda though. It's a green thing. It's a green thing. It's a green thing. It's a green thing. Hey Misa, it's a green thing or what?
I don't even know what the fuck y'all niggas are talking about.
If you know, you know. If you know, you know. You guys might see it on the rollers. Ah. Hey. What the fuck? Chill. Alright, let's go. Let's go, boys. Turn it up, turn it up. You want me to turn it up? I'm feeling in my space now. Just put on the knock to my face now. Just put a case now. I want to kill me, but the DJ's off here. I want to hear you. You guys gotta listen to that copyright. No copyright, you feel me? No more. We can't afford copyrights no more, boys. We can't afford copyrights no more. You guys know. You guys know. You guys know. If you guys know, you guys know.
Comment, it's a great thing if you made it this far on the video.
Actually. Yeah, this is already pretty deep in the video.
Really?
You're this deep in the video. You're literally watching me do this right now. Like literally, they're watching us right now. This deep in the video.
That's crazy.
Like, what if I just sit here?
What
He's with me. So, what if I just sit here? Like, are you guys this deep in the video? Like, just watching me sit here? I'm just gonna sit here, so I don't know what you guys are watching for, to be honest.
I know. You should click off.
Yeah, just
Nah,
click
just
off the
kidding.
video, bro. Click off the video.
Oh, this, boys? Double cook.
You guys didn't like the boiling crab, though? I think because we didn't get shrimp. We should have got shrimp, nigga. Shrimp would have been hella good. But Misa didn't tell us they had shrimp, bro.
I thought we were coming to this one.
Oh, that's why I always said the kicking crab or the boiling crab. I kept telling you.
Me?
Yes, I was like, which one? Boiling crab or kicking crab? And you're like, boiling crab. What the
I've
fuck,
never
dude?
been to Boiling Crab. I've been here. But not Boiling Crab.
Oh, you been here?
Yeah.
Oh, and how's this place?
That's good.
It's better?
Yeah.
Or it's just because you ordered something better over here?
Yeah.
I don't know. I haven't been there, though. Nigga's gonna brake check. Wait, get close so I can see. Right there is perfect. All right, chill. Now I can't see. It's too high.
Oh.
Oh, no, it's right there. Perfect. Tap.